Are you looking for a Cpap machine requires regular cleaning to ensure optimal performance and user safety. Dust, bacteria, and allergens can accumulate, leading to potential health risks. Cpap cleaners offer a convenient solution by efficiently sanitizing the machine and its components. They help maintain the cleanliness of masks, tubes, and humidifiers, which are vital for healthy breathing. Product number 1, Disinfectant Spray. CleanSmart Cpap Disinfectant Spray ensures your Cpap equipment stays hygienic. Killing 99.9% of bacteria and viruses, it keeps you safe. Its no residue formula leaves your gear spotless and ready to use. Each pack contains 2 16-ounce bottles for extended use. Enjoy peace of mind with this effective disinfectant. Advantages: enjoy peace of mind with 99.9% germ elimination on Cpap gear. Safe on all Cpap parts, leaves no harmful residue. Convenient spray application makes cleaning quick and simple. Large 16-ounce bottles offer long-lasting use. Effective against both bacteria and viruses for better health. Product number 2, Mask Wipes Unscented Cleaner for full face. Discover the ease of maintaining your Cpap equipment with Aliexpress Cpap Mask Wipes. These unscented wipes gently clean full face and nasal masks. Each pack includes 110 wipes, offering long-lasting freshness. Made for daily use, they help keep your equipment hygienic. Enjoy a clean, fresh sleep experience every night. Advantages: ensures cleanliness and hygiene. Aliexpress Cpap wipes keep your mask clean daily. Gentle on skin. Unscented formula prevents irritation for sensitive skin users. Convenient and easy to use. Quickly wipe down masks anytime, anywhere, without water. Compatible with all mask types. Works well with full face, nasal, and other Cpap masks. Value for money. 110 wipes per pack offers long-lasting cleaning supply. Product number 3, 150 count Jumbo Pack. Discover the convenience of Cpap mask wipes, specially designed for full face and nasal masks. These extra large, extra moist wipes provide effortless cleaning without any fragrance. With 150 jumbo wipes, plus 6 handy travel sheets, keeping your Cpap equipment clean is easy. Perfect for home use or travel, these wipes ensure your Cpap supplies are fresh and hygienic. Maintain your Cpap masks cleanliness effortlessly with DuraCleanse wipes. Advantages: easy cleaning for Cpap masks and supplies. Keeps everything fresh. Extra moist wipes ensure thorough cleaning. No residue left behind. Unscented formula suits sensitive users. Avoids irritation or discomfort. Convenient travel sheets included. Perfect for on-the-go maintenance. Large pack offers long-lasting supply. Cost-effective and practical. Product number 4, Mask Cleaning Brush. Keep your Cpap machine and mask clean with the Avene Cpap Tube and Mask Cleaning Brush. This easy-to-use brush fits all Cpap hoses and masks. Enhance your Cpap experience with thorough cleaning and better hygiene. The brush helps maintain machine efficiency and mask comfort. Perfect for everyday use, ensuring a healthier sleep routine. Advantages: keeps your Cpap equipment clean and hygienic effortlessly. Designed for all Cpap hoses and masks. Enhances longevity of your Cpap machine. Easy-to-use brush kit for effective cleaning. Reduces risk of respiratory infections. Product number 5, Large Cleaning Box Cleaner Kit Supplies Storage Bag. Discover the 2025 upgraded Household Large Cleaning Box Cleaner Kit. Designed for easy and efficient cleaning supply storage. This waterproof cleaning bag promises a one-step maintenance solution. Enjoy a time-saving, waterless operation for hassle-free cleaning. Perfect for keeping your supplies organized and ready to use. Make cleaning a breeze with this practical kit. Advantages: effortless organization for cleaning supplies. Keeps everything neat and tidy. Waterproof design protects contents. No more worries about spills. Time-saving maintenance features. Quick and easy cleaning routine. Waterless operation offers convenience. No need for extra cleanup. Efficient storage solution. Maximizes space and minimizes clutter.